How to log in ChatGPT account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in to your ChatGPT account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open any browser and on the search bar, go ahead and type in openai.com/blog/ChatGPT and press enter on your keyboard. After you do that, you'll end up in this page where you need to click on Start Now. Then it will take you to another page. Go ahead and click on Login at the bottom left corner. And there in this page, you have to simply enter your email address and then press Continue. After that, go ahead and add your password and then again press Continue. But if you don't have any account, you can simply go ahead and click on Sign Up and follow the instruction. Now, after you're done with everything, go ahead and click on Continue. Now again, to verify that you are a human, you need to solve this puzzle. So go ahead and tap on Begin Puzzle. And after you solve the puzzle, go ahead and tap on Submit. After the verification is completed, you'll simply be logged in to ChatGPT account. And that's how you do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned till our next upload.